A parent is a teacher at home, and a teacher is a parent in school, and the child is the center of our universe. Respected Principal Sir, our junior wing in charge, Mr. Spree, dear teachers, and all the dear parents, a very good morning to all of you. It gives us immense pleasure to extend a very warm welcome on behalf of DPS family. This orientation program is conducted to familiarize the parents as partners in progress with the curriculum, core holistic activities, rules and regulations of the school. So now I request our the principal sir to address the new members of our family.
Dear parents, on behalf of the staff of Delhi Public School, I am happy to welcome you to the DPS family. We look forward to see your children in school in the new session 2021-22. As you all know, we face an unprecedented challenge last year because of pandemic, and it is still not over. But I must acknowledge the tremendous effort put in by the staff of DPS and the parents, that they found innovative ways to teach our kids. Thank you very much for that. I look forward now to the productive partnership with parents to ensure that our children achieve their highest potential. The new education policy also says that a joyful school education through playways is extremely important during the formative years of children. To be successful in this, our children need support both from home and the school. We believe a strong partnership will make a great difference during the child's education. We at DPS are committed to provide the best education to children. At the same time, my teachers would need cooperation and support from parents at all times. I urge all parents to spend quality time with children. Children love to share what they learn from teachers. Listen to them. Children also enjoy listening to stories. Spend time to read some stories with them. Involve them in gardening, caring for plants. Play with them and make them feel proud when they do their work on their own. The values, culture, and so-called sanskars are learned at home. Please feel free to book your appointment with teachers whenever you wish to share or discuss anything. We value your suggestions and your contribution to the growth of the school. Thank you.
कैसे रुके ये आरज़ू
Tiny Tots who want to share what they learned in their online classes.
Good morning everyone. I Bisman welcome you all to DPS family. Due to COVID-19, we did not come to school. Yes, but we learned so many good habits in our online classes from our teachers. Yes, so we want to share some of these good habits with you all. Go to bed early and rise early. Brush your teeth twice a day. Take a bath daily. Wear neat and tidy clothes. Don't eat junk food. Eat healthy food. Drink a glass of water. Put your toys at proper place. Don't eat other. Use magic word. Thank you, sorry, please. Always respect your elders. Wear mask. Sanitize and wash your hands. Always keep smiling. Have you seen? We learn so many things. We thank you, DPS and the teacher for their loving care. On behalf of DPS, we thank you all for joining us.
Now I request our junior wing in charge, Ms. Jaspreet, to give a brief introduction about the school.
A very good morning, dear parents and my lovely kids. First of all, I extend my sincere and heartfelt gratitude to you all for becoming a part of DPS. We at DPS aim to provide the best education to our students to become valuable global citizens of tomorrow. In addition to providing various curricular and co-curricular activities, we support the individual well-being of our students also. In these foundational years of education, our endeavor at DPS will be to facilitate the teaching learning process under the framework of ECCE, that is Early Childhood Care and Education. Early childhood care and education provides opportunities for the development of each domain of a child's growth, that is physical, cognitive, socio-emotional, sensory and language. And being the stakeholders in this diaspora of learning, you as parents must stay connected with your child. I hope that through our mutual support, collaboration and trust, we will be able to provide an enabling atmosphere to our children under the leadership of our worthy principal sir, Mr. J.K. Seni. So now let's have a sneak peek of the school and its various activities. DPS Junior Wing was inaugurated by Mrs. Vanna Talwar on 21st of August 2006. The school is a co-educational institution. Right from the start, the focus of the school has always been to recognize every child as an individual and help him reach his full potential. In this endeavor, we are supported by an able staff and world-class infrastructure. Our vision is to produce world-class citizens who have out-of-the-box approach to deal with different situations in life. About the features of DPS, we have very secure, vibrant and jubilant environment, ECCE trained faculty, lady attendants in classes and buses as well, teaching with modern technology like smart classes, creative corners and activity room, playway methodology in teaching, splash pool, skating, colorful swings and trampoline, child-centered approach we follow, frequent medical checkups, teaching aids and computer lab, tours, excursions and visits. So how your child will spend his or her day in the school? So it will comprise of morning prayer, circle time, academics, puppet shows, coloring, dance and music, sports and trampoline, storytelling, art and craft, and e-learning. So now let's have a look on the co-curricular activities. We will have celebrations and functions separately in the junior wing. Like we have Independence Day celebration, annual functions, recitation activity, Grandparents' Day, sports, Christmas and winter carnival, summer camps, puppet theatre, splash pool, story time, colors day, and workshops for children and parents. We will be having tours and excursions for our children, like visit to Rose Garden, visit to Chetak Park, and various other neighborhood places. Learning will be fun for our tiny tots. So we use various teaching aids, tools and techniques to make the teaching learning process very interesting. Honor badges are also awarded for excellence in all areas of co-curricular activities. We have one app for students' profile on EduNext. We follow the ECC approach to teach our young ones. Now here are important guidelines. Kindly follow the school timings and timetable. A fruit break will be given to the children, followed by lunch break. For birthday celebrations, only stationery items are allowed for children. No gifts for staff or any other person. Child will not be handed over to any person other than specified in almanac. Kindly check the almanac of your ward daily and remove the circulars. Each HRT will have a class group of parents for sharing information through mobile phones. Kindly use the group for exchanging class related information only. Leaves during examination will not be allowed. We expect your cooperation and participation in school activities. Now about the assessment system, we will have assessment of your ward in 2 terms. Term 1 having periodic test 1 and periodic test 2. Term 2 having periodic test 3 and periodic test 4. So we follow the 5-point grade scales for all the subjects. So DPS is committed to inculcating competitive spirit and deep instinct to excel in academics and activities among the students. We believe in the kind of education where all the efforts are devoted to enhancing and uplifting the personality of the students. So one more information, we will be sharing with you steps to install school mobile app, syllabus and book list for session 2021-2022 in WhatsApp groups soon after this orientation program. So now let's meet the teachers of DPS Junior Wing. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Chetna Tayal. I am taking class nursery.
I am Komal Arora, taking class nursery.
I am Sharja. I am taking class nursery.
I am Preeti, taking class prep.
I am Prabjit Kaur. I am taking class prep.
I am Nirupma Oja, taking class prep. Thank you all for joining us, and we are eagerly waiting for our lovely kids. Thank you.